Kahit sandali.
An inverse function is a function that undoes the action of another function. In most general sense, inverse functions are functions that reverse each other. For example, if the function takes x to y, then the inverse takes y to x. Here we have the function f of x equals 2x minus 3. Replace fx with y and interchange y and x. Our goal here is to isolate y variable, so transfer 3 to the other side and divide both sides by 2 and cancel 2. Since we can simplify x plus 3 over 2, so we can write our final answer as inverse of x equals y plus 3 over 2. Here we have another example, f of x equals x squared minus 5. Same as the previous example, rewrite f of x as y, interchange y and x, and transfer 5 to the other side. Since our y has an exponent of 2, we will use square root to eliminate that exponent. Now we can write our final answer as inverse of x as square root of x plus 5. Here we are using composition of functions to check if our answer is correct. You can see that both has an answer of x, which indicates that our answer is correct. We will not anymore dive deeper to the composition of functions since our topic is inverse of functions. Here we have the inverse of x equals 3x plus 2. Again, we will rewrite f of x as y, then interchange x and y. Transfer 2 to the other side because our main goal here is to isolate the y variable. Then divide both sides by 3 and cancel 3, leaving our y variable alone. Now we can rewrite our final answer as inverse of x equals x minus 2 over 3. Another example is function of x equals x minus 6. We replace f of x with y and interchange your x and y. Again, we will transfer 6 to the other side to isolate our y variable. And since y is already isolated, and we can now write our answer as inverse of x plus 6. Our last example, try solving it on your own and feel free to pause the video. So again, we will replace f of x with y and interchange x and y. Next, we will transfer 4 to the other side of the equation and divide both sides by 2 and cancel 2 to isolate our y variable. Now we can write our final answer using inverse of x equals x minus 4 over 2.